Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. Now I'm going to show you how to make the camera follow you on CapCut. So I have a man running across the sand dunes and I want it to be really zoomed in. So I'll make the scale 234. Now if I left it like this and just played it, the man will quickly run off screen. So how do I make the camera follow him? This is very easy. Bring the playhead to the start, add a keyframe at the very start, let the man run slightly by dragging the playhead or pressing play. Now he's about to go off screen, so let's add another keyframe. You don't need to actually press the keyframe button, you can just drag the video in the player here and this will automatically add a keyframe when you let go of the movement, as we can see. Again, let it play on, either by dragging it, and it's about to run off again, so we can move the video, putting the man back in the middle of the screen, like that. The keyframe will automatically be added again, and you just keep doing that, letting it play on, and when he's about to run out of screen, dragging it back so he's in the middle. You just keep repeating that process. Now, let's play the video. As you can see, the man stays perfectly in the screen and the camera follows him until he eventually runs off screen from the clip. Now if you want to make any adjustments to the keyframes, all you need to do is press the keyframe and drag it to a position that you prefer. As you can see, we've made that little adjustment and it's a little slower to make that movement. So that's how to make the camera follow you on CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.